Hi everyone, welcome back for another crypto trade episode. Winter is coming on crypto market. To face that, I will show you how to set this quick and easy 5-minute strategy that will allow you scalping on recent bear market and get high profits anyway. This strategy works for crypto. I'm using 5-minute time frame on Ethereum USDT. Just watch this video until the end to learn how to use these great Tradingview indicators and thus get an extra income. Stay tuned to the channel by subscribing and activating notifications. You will be immediately notified every single time I post a new video. To add the first indicator to the chart, open the indicator search bar in Tradingview and type SUPERTREND. Select the indicator as shown in the video. To add the second indicator to the chart, open the indicator search bar in Tradingview and type QQE MOD. Select the indicator as shown in the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate notifications. As soon as I post a new video, you will be notified immediately. To add the third and last indicator to the chart, open the indicator search bar in Tradingview and type DZIWNE TREND INDICATOR A. Select the indicator as shown in the video. Click on Settings and in Style tab change color 1 to green. Increase the opacity of both colors to 100%. Setup is complete. Thanks to these very smart indicators, you can follow the market trend and find high probability trade entries to maximize profits. I will use DZIWNE indicator to show the market trend. I will use the QQE MOD indicator to confirm market trend. I will use SUPERTREND indicator to point out the entry point. Have you already smashed the like button? Doing that helps a lot in the growth of the channel. For a buy order, DZIWNE indicator must be green and the market must be above it. QQE MOD indicator must be blue. Wait for a buy signal from SUPERTREND indicator. If these conditions are met, place a buy order at the closing of the green candle. Place the stop loss below the SUPERTREND indicator green line. The risk to reward ratio will be set to 1 to 1.5. I hope you have understood the buying strategy. For a sell order, DZIWNE indicator must be red and the market must be below it. QQE MOD indicator must be red. Wait for a sell signal from SUPERTREND indicator. If these conditions are met, place a sell order at the closing of the red candle. Place the stop loss above the SUPERTREND indicator red line. The risk to reward ratio will be set to 1 to 1.5. I hope you have understood the selling strategy. Why traders can't stick to their trade plans. Market conditions have been pretty fickle these days, so it's important to learn how to adapt. However, this doesn't mean abandoning your old trading plans altogether. Make sure you take a closer look at the reasons why you're thinking of trying a new approach, and if it's one of the 4 factors listed below, you should probably take a step back. Distractions. While boredom can lead to bad trading decisions, being surrounded by too much excitement can also be harmful. I'm all about having a comfortable trading environment, but if you find yourself dancing to the latest radio hits, watching the Warriors win another game, or checking out who broke up with whom on Facebook, then your workspace might not be as conducive to trading as you think. Overconfidence/loss of confidence. But unfortunately, you get drunk on your success, and before you know it, you've ditched your trading plan entirely. You start getting sloppy, make bad trading decisions, and your trading performance takes a nosedive. It's not uncommon to feel confident after a streak of wins, but it becomes dangerous when you become overconfident. Fatigue. When you're fatigued, you're not as sharp as you normally are. Often, this leads to slower reaction times, and your mind may not process things as thoroughly. I will now show some examples of buy and sell orders. DZIWNE indicator is green and the market is above it. QQE MOD indicator is blue. Wait for a buy signal from SUPERTREND indicator. As these conditions are met, place a buy order at the closing of the green candle. Place the stop loss below the SUPERTREND indicator green line. The risk to reward ratio will be set to 1 to 1.5. The market has reached the target and the trade has been successfully closed. Let's look for the next trade. DZIWNE indicator is red and the market is below it. QQE MOD indicator is red. Wait for a sell signal from SUPERTREND indicator. As these conditions are met, place a sell order at the closing of the red candle. Place the stop loss above the SUPERTREND indicator red line. The risk to reward ratio will be set to 1 to 1.5. The market has reached the target and the trade has been closed with profit. As you can see, this strategy is quite simple to follow, but very profitable. If you are interested in having very positive results, use this proposed strategy. Test it and leave your opinion and results below in the comments. If you like the video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and activate notifications. This helps a lot in the growth of the channel. If you have any indicator or strategy that you want to see analyzed, leave your idea in the comments with the name of the indicators so I can study and analyze them. If it is interesting, I will produce a video with it. I will read all the suggestions you post. I hope you enjoyed the video and thank you for watching it until the end. See you next time.